My name is Poyraz. I'm the founder of Alterna team, and here with me is Kemal, the architect of our product, Alterna CX. So, as Kani mentioned, Alterna team is a customer experience measurement and management company. We're based out of Istanbul, and our objective is to, with our end-to-end solutions, help our clients make customer experience a differentiating strength, differentiating competitive strength with visible impact on business results. So coming to insurance carriers, number of interactions with customer for a insurance carrier in a given year can be as little as product search, sign up, monthly payments, and also renewals when it comes to renewals. This can be very limited. And usually, when the number of interactions with a customer starts to go up, that means something negative has happened on the side of the customer. It could be a health-related thing, it could be a traffic-related thing, it could be a personal accident thing. And when it's time for renewal, it's usually those experiences that the customers remember and make their decision to renew or buy additional products. So it is vital for carriers to deliver differentiating experiences to different customers for loyalty and for additional product purchases. Now the question is identifying which of those interactions matter most for customers' loyalty, knowing how we are performing as a carrier on a daily basis so that our resources are allocated to the right areas accordingly. So to tackle this, carriers need to develop a reliable customer experience feedback collection mechanism, close the loop with unsatisfied customers periodically, and track what they have done in terms of performance regularly. We developed Alterna CX to exactly address this need. We call it operationalizing customer experience. Alterna CX is a single customer experience platform to listen to voice of customers across multiple journeys and channels. And with Alterna CX, carriers can get a full picture view of what their customers think about the carrier in terms of their interactions or their overall relationship delivered through surveys and text analytics on a real-time basis. They can make their performance metrics like Net Promoter Score, Customer Effort Score, or Customer Satisfaction Score more actionable through improvement loops built in Alterna CX. They can find out what influences customer experience and loyalty most and assess their performance accordingly. And finally, they can track what impact the changes in customer satisfaction have on their bottom line on a daily basis. In today's session, what we will show you is an overview, actually a sneak peek of how you can listen to customer experience journeys, analyze, and act on customer experience with Alterna CX. Now, this is what the customer experience manager will see on their screen. In Alterna CX, I'm going to talk to you about our three modules for listening. The first one is the design part, where we're designing what to listen. In the design part, what we have created here is a pretty much fully user-managed customer listening module, where you can quickly develop a new customer experience or related survey in minutes, or use ready templates for customer efforts, customer satisfaction, net promoter score. Or you can manage all your surveys or related research for different users in a single channel. You can change the order of questions. You can change or use a different channel for interaction with the customers or for feedback collection. Or you can also test different flows with customers and see which one produces the most response in a given customer survey. We call that the flow. And the platform is not only the platform is flexible enough to cater for what we call in-the-moment listening, so transactional listening, relational listening, and also ad hoc listening, as we call it, for marketing or CRM data collection related purposes. Available channels you can use from here range from SMS URLs, email, mobile apps, websites, and also traditional channels like CATI and IVR. And we're also adding other channels to the panel. Next, we're going to show you once you design the surveys, you can go live to the market in minutes. You can go to the reporting section. We're going to show you the dashboard today. The dashboard is pretty much where all the metrics regarding customer experience comes together for different users. For example, for this user, we're showing the overall picture on overall NPS and the claims versus non-claims customers NPS. And if you want to drill down to understand what is driving the claims-related NPS, you can just simply use the charts, and all the data will be updated accordingly. You can go to specific regions, you can go to specific products, you can go to specific channels right from the platform in an easy format. And you can also go to problem regions from ready maps, and you can track the performance very easily. The second thing we can do in the reporting part of Alterna CX is every user or every person in the organization relating to customer experience, from call center people to people related to claims, the customer care people, they can track their performance in their user performance scorecards. And in this one, we're tracking the touchpoint performance for the replacement car performance, which seems to be a very problematic experience for this specific insurance company. The specific person can go to details onto what is driving the replacement car satisfaction performance in detail, going into questions. There he can go and search by different regions, company, agents, vendors, or third-party groups. The next part that we will show you is the action part. The action part is where you basically start taking action on customer experience feedback. What we try to do here is we wanted to help the users create improvement loops so that they can track customer experience more systematically across the organization. Two things you can do here. First one is what we call tactical improvement loops, which is customer-level improvement actions where you can assign it to a specific user. Second one is what we call strategic improvement loops. These are improvement loops that are triggered for structural improvements like product changes, process-related improvements, or channel-related improvements. The way they originate is different, but you can all define these rules and start a workflow from validating an issue down to task assignment and task management from these screens. And you can also go to the Center for Alerts, and you can track